Forgot your Discord password or lost access to your phone? Backup codes are your safety net, so you don't get locked out. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to find and save your Discord backup codes, step by step. First, open Discord on your desktop and make sure you're logged in to the right account. Look to the bottom left corner. Click the little gear icon next to your username to open user settings. A settings menu opens. On the left sidebar, scroll until you see the security or password and security section. Click that section. This is where you manage two-factor authentication and your backup codes. On the security page, find the backup codes section. Click the button that says View or Get Backup Codes. Discord may ask you to re-enter your password or confirm your two-factor code. Complete that step to continue. Now you'll see a list of one-time backup codes. Each code can usually be used once if you lose access to your phone. Click Download, Copy, or Print, whichever option Discord shows, to save these codes somewhere safe and offline. Avoid saving them in public notes or screenshots. Instead, use a password manager or write them on paper and store them securely. That's it. Your Discord backup codes are ready. If you ever lose access to your phone, use one of these codes to log back in safely.